Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Tower Semiconductor poised for Q1 earnings beat on strong industry trends. Wedbush. Tower Semiconductor is expected to exceed Q1 earnings estimates driven by positive industry trends. According to Wedbush analysts, the semiconductor company's strong performance reflects broader favorable conditions in the chip manufacturing sector. ASML best-selling product isn't what you think it is. ASML most sought-after product is not its $400 million EUV lithography machine, but a 1,000-piece Lego set designed by employee Rick Lenssen. The Lego model, which mirrors the complexity and scarcity of the real machine, is exclusively available to ASML employees and has spawned a thriving secondary market. Despite high demand, only 1,355 Lego sets have been sold compared to just 6 actual EUV machines. Tower Semiconductor Limited. Leopold Aschenbrenner is bearish on this company. Leopold Aschenbrenner's hedge fund sold its entire stake in Tower Semiconductor Limited, Nasdaq: during the first quarter of 2026, after initially acquiring the position in Q3 2025 and increasing it by 53% in Q4 2025. Despite a year-over-year recovery in Q1 2026, the company's gross margin remained low at 26.8%, reflecting the challenges of its asset-heavy foundry business model, which is burdened by high fixed costs and lower profitability compared to other AI hardware plays. The end of Moore's Law. Huawei unveils new chip architecture, which it hopes can help it cut the gap on NVIDIA and TSMC. Huawei has introduced a new semiconductor architecture called LogicFolding and proposed the Tau scaling law as an alternative to Moore's Law at the 2026 IEEE International Symposium on Circuits and Systems. The approach focuses on reducing signal propagation delay rather than shrinking transistor dimensions, aiming to overcome physical and economic limitations in traditional chip scaling. Huawei claims this method can compress the time constant tau to drive continued evolution in semiconductors and electronic systems. The company hopes this innovation will help close the gap with industry leaders like NVIDIA and TSMC. Huawei chairman thanks the U.S. for export restrictions on chips, says it supercharged China's semiconductor industry. Washington's export controls encourage Chinese firms to invest in R&D and build their own tech stack competing with American tech. Huawei's rotating chairman Zhu Yijun expressed gratitude toward U.S. export restrictions, crediting them with accelerating China's semiconductor industry growth and spurring domestic innovation, including the development of Huawei's LogicFolding chip architecture. The U.S. imposed broad bans on Huawei and other Chinese tech firms starting in 2019, followed by stricter AI chip export controls in 2022 under President Biden, which limited access to high-performance hardware from companies like NVIDIA and AMD. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed and I will see you in the next update.